Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Emini Stocks. Today is Thursday, April 19, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 Emini futures trading down just a little bit. They've been sinking really all morning. Right now they're lower by 8.25 points. Right now they're trading at 27.01 per contract. So all in all, futures have been sliding over the last hour. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings today. But again, this is an options expiration trading week. The markets have gone straight up the first 3 days. Yesterday they started to stall a little bit, but nonetheless still carved out a positive day. Every index was up with the exception of the Dow. So we'll see what today gives us. But we have lots of earnings really beginning. We are in the start of earnings season. So let's get started here. We're going to start the day off with American Express. Right now the stock is trading at $98.48. Again, a lot of resistance at around $99.50 today. If it does trade back up there, I don't really see it going much past that level. And again, a good move for American Express. We'll see how it closes today. We'll see how it trades out. I'm going to leave it alone here at these levels. Like again, I don't really see it going much past $99.50. But you never know. Anything's possible during earnings. And we'll see if it gives us some kind of a setup once the opening bell rings. We also have earnings from Alcoa, ticker symbol AA. Stock is trading sharply higher as well. Closed at $59.40, now trading at $61.55. So this is a good little pop for Alcoa. Again, the trend is up, so you don't want to fight that. But if you own it, trail the stop loss. I don't see a lot of upside for this name at the moment. So we'll see how that plays out. In sympathy to Alcoa, you want to take a look at CENX. This is another aluminum play. Century Aluminum stock is trading at $18.80, closed at $18.31, so that's upticking a little bit there. Let's take a look at United Rentals. URI is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $173, closed at $180. So this is a pretty good little sell-off. Again, I still think the double bottom around $165, still a lot of support if it does get down there today. We'll keep that one on the radar. Let's take a look at Taiwan Semiconductor. This is really causing a big move today. Stock closed at $41.92, now trading at $39.95. This is hurting a lot of the semi stocks. Even though it's only a slight move lower, the stock is trading down. But you're seeing stocks like NVDA today, a little bit lower. Even the SMH, which is the Semiconductors holders, that is trading at 103 now. So again, a lot of the semis getting hit before the opening bell. We'll see how they play out once the opening bell rings. But again, all the semiconductors, at least most of them, are under pressure. You're even seeing pressure in Apple. So Apple down a little bit as well. Stock closed at $177.84, now trading at $174.90. So Taiwan Semiconductor definitely weighing on the market somewhat here. And again, we're going to keep that on the radar today. When I look at Taiwan Semiconductor, the only level that I'm seeing that really interests me at the moment is going to be probably around the $38 level. Gets to 38, I think there could be a play there. I'm going to work on some levels here. I started them earlier, but 38 is really the only level that I'm looking at today for Taiwan Semiconductor. If it trades down there, then I do think that could be pretty important. You could get a nice bounce play overall. But right now, that is all that I am seeing from that one. All right, let's take a look here at NXPI. This is a semiconductor play as well. It looks like the deal has fallen apart between NXPI being taken over by Qualcomm. Stock closed at $112.99, now trading at $110. Again, there should be a fair amount of support here, but again, everybody was anticipating this deal would happen, and now it looks like there is no deal in the works. So be careful there. We'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. Qualcomm, on the other hand, trading at $53.90, closed at $55.23, so it's got a good little downtick there. We'll keep that on the radar as well. We'll see where it goes. Right now, I have to think there's a lot of support in this general area around the $53.50, $53.40 level, but we'll keep it on the radar today. Again, the Qualcomm and the NXPI deal looks like it is off at the moment. Let's take a look at Procter & Gamble. Ticker symbol is PG. This is on the back of earnings. Stock is trading at $76.16, closed at $78.20. So that's a $2 haircut. Again, these stocks have been under pressure. All these consumer discretionary names, consumer staple names. They've been under severe pressure. Next level I have for Procter is going to be around 72.40. So be a little bit careful there. We'll see if it can get down there. I'm not sure it does that today. Let's take a look at CLX, which is Clorox. This was downgraded this morning. The stock right now is trading at around 123.73, closed at 126.72. No play on it here. Does have a lot of support around the 120 level today, though. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how that shapes out. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Crude oil trading up 70 cents. So oil, again, just continues to surge higher. The USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, that is trading at 13.96, pretty strong today. But all in all, crude continues to surge just underneath, just trading just above the $69 level. So it is very close to getting to 70 bucks. We'll see how long it takes to do that, but I do think it's going to go a little bit higher before it goes lower. Next up, we have gold. Gold trading down 2.5 bucks today. I'm not going to make too much out of that right now. Spot price per ounce on gold is $13.51. Take a look at the GLD today. That's trading at 127.78, basically right where it closed yesterday. So there you have it. That's what we're looking at. Again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another solid day yesterday. We're going to look to keep it going right into the end of the year. 2018 has been a blockbuster year in the chat room. And again, we will look to keep it going all the way into the end of the year. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a wonderful trading day, and we will see you on the charts.